Hello, my name is Fong. I'm with Remax, the Minnesota Real Estate. This is my new listing that just came on the market a couple days ago. It's at 15336 Wood Duck Trail Northwest in Prior Lake, Minnesota. It's in the Wild Golf Course community. Very prestigious. We're gonna go through the front door. The whole house has been landscaped beautifully. The home is a two-story, has 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, 3-car garage. This is the foyer. As we walk through the front door, to my left here, this is the main floor office. It could be another bedroom. To the right is the formal dining room. This is the sunken family room. It has a gas fireplace, floor-to-ceiling windows that brings in a lot of natural light. That's a very nice view of the garden in the back. This is the informal dining room, which connects over to the kitchen. The kitchen, the foyer, the dining room, it's all hardwood floor. New stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, stove and microwave, and the dishwasher. We'll head out to the backyard. It's got 2 patio, both paver. It's beautifully landscaped. It's connected. You have to go down the stairs. There's the fire pit. A lot of trees, a lot of privacy. The neighbors aren't very close, so they can't see what you're doing. We'll head back to the house. We'll go through the kitchen. Over here we have a mudroom. There's a door that goes out to the 3-car garage. This is a half bath. It's good for guests. And we have a main floor laundry room. Upstairs is the has a loft and 3 good-sized bedrooms. There's the loft. It can be converted into a 4th bedroom if you wanted to. This upper level is open, and you can see down into the front door from up here. We'll walk into the master bedroom. It has French doors. It's got 2 windows. The master's bathroom, his and her closet. It's very spacious. The master has double sink, separate shower, big tub. We'll go into the 2nd bedroom up here. This is the 3rd bedroom. This is the upper level hallway full bath. We'll go down to the main level again. The basement is unfinished, but can be finished for added square foot and more equity. If you have any interest in this home, please feel free to call or text me. My number is 952-994-6988. Thank you.